So you wanna make a hammer? Not a problem. First add a cube and scale it up as much as you want. Now select the side faces and remove them, we will add them later. Select everything, Ctrl B to bevel. Now select the side edge loops and then create faces out of them. Select the faces, click I to insert and E to extrude them out. Now select the faces and click S to scale them down. I think the hammer looks a bit longer, so select everything and scale it down in the y-axis. So the base of the hammer is ready. Now time for the handle. So create a cylinder, put it anywhere you want to, and it's done. The hammer is ready, looking exactly like the one I did. So in the next video I'll teach you how to render it.